It off as always. Let's go across to Hormaz. Hormaz, plenty of drama today.
It's very difficult to put an adjective to a market like this, but the bottom line is that the bulls had a good day and that's where it ends. And starting off with IT stocks, and those received a boost yesterday after hopes of a Fed rate cut increased in the US, and as a result of which the IT index traded higher. All constituents ended with gains. Emphasis, Tech, Mahindra, ltimindtree and Infosys were among the top 5 gainers on the Nifty as well. All of them ending at the highest point of the day. That is a bigger takeaway from that. Infosys also contributing 2.2% to the Nifty upside. A sector that did very well was defense, and that is courtesy of HAL's numbers. And if you see the charts here, after the HAL announcement, all other defense stocks zoomed in equal proportion, be it Bharat Dynamics, BEL, Mazgaon Dock, Data Patterns, all of them ending with gains of anywhere between 1.5 to 3.5%. But HAL, record highs, closing in on 5,000, 10% higher after a very strong fourth quarter. Surabhi just mentioned about real estate, and that was another sector that stood out in today's session. Not all of them on the index ended higher, but before that, we'll get to some earnings impact as well. Honeywell Automation, as Prashant was highlighting earlier, some stocks that did well: Titagarh Rail, NCC, Mahindra & Mahindra after the earnings, and Mankind Pharma, some not so good reactions to the earnings there, 4.5% lower, bucking the trend in an otherwise strong market. And real estate, as I was mentioning, not all stocks ended higher, but a good day nonetheless. Oberoi Realty almost 9% higher, Suntech, Brigade, DLF, Godrej Properties, all of them doing well. And lastly, PSUs continued to do well, as they have been regardless of how the market texture has been. PFC and REC continuing to lead the charge. ONGC, BHEL and IRCTC rounding off the day. Back to you.
Okay. All right, Hormaz. Thank you very much for that.